Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to delete order history on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So open up your Shop app and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, so if you want to looking for a way to delete your order history, so you can simply, once I've logged in, simply go to your orders tab here. So click on the orders tab. So here you will see all the orders that you have so far you have made here. So of mine, I just have one order here. It's nothing much. So if you want to delete delete your order history, so what you have to do is simply click on the product, like for example each order. For example, I have there, simply tap and hold on it. So just tap and hold on it and you will get this option here, and you will have an option called to archive order or delete the order. So if you want to just archive it, which means just hide it, you can archive it, or else if you want to delete it, then you can simply click on delete order. So this is how you can actually delete order history on Shop app, just by manually tapping on the order, tap and hold the order. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.